Hey everybody, welcome back to Stock Voyager. I am Jer. A little tired this morning, but we're up and going and we're going to look at things. Okay, so I was looking at this morning, SBEV, Splash Beverage. They are down about 20%. And I want to go over this with you because it's important to go over. I don't want to leave you just high and dry. If you remember, I talk about in videos, not telling you not to, but personally, I do not hold stocks overnight and I do not trade in the morning, pre-market, or after hours. It has to be during the trading day. It's just too risky to trade in pre-market or after hours. And what I'm saying here, like if you look at, okay, so SBEV is showing as one of the top losers this morning. Okay, they are down about 20% on about 87,000 volume. Whenever the where is the average volume for SBEV is about 14 million. So it's only just a small percentage of what the usual volume is. So, of course, what ends up happening is it drops off. And this is a normal thing that happens once a stock rises a lot and has continually risen a lot. It has a fall off, which is a correction or a filling gap, a gap fill. So you look at it, we'll go to, so I still believe in all of this. All of this here, I believe in it. I think that $13 is not out of the question still. And yeah, so everything there, I post that on my Twitter. Now then, let's go. We're going to take a look at, go to websites. Here we are. Okay. All right. So SBEV. Why is this showing no data? Come on, Google. All right. So you see how it spiked up like an extreme amount on the 14th. Okay. Now you see here where it spiked up. Well, I guess that's all on the 14th, but where it kind of spiked up and fell off. You should expect something similar here. I would not be surprised looking at this graph for it to fall somewhere probably in between, like, I wouldn't be surprised if it falls to like 275. It falls off of that, finds support, and levels out at that support before heading further up. Now then, there's probably a lot of people seeing this 20% down and be like, oh my gosh, I got to get out, I got to get out, I got to get out. And they're selling pre-market. Okay, so they, for one, held overnight. And for two, are selling pre-market. So, okay, good. Bye. What you have got to do, or what I do, is I will wait until after the market is open at 9:30. I will wait for this to fall off some more, or to see if it spikes up from that 20% down, and if it's already found support. It may have already found support at that 20% down. But my guess is at 9 o'clock, this is going to drip some more because Robinhood traders are going, some of them are going to see this and be like, I've got to get out. I've got to get out. Oh my God, my money's locked up. Let me get out. Okay. So then you're going to see it fall off some more. So 9:30, you might have hit support by then, but you might not have. So I waited out because I'm not in, because I don't trade pre-market. I didn't hold overnight. I wait it out, wait for it to find and hold support. Then, once I know that it kind of holds support, then I get in because I know it's safe. And you can still make, and I did this the other day with Hour, you can still make money from a stock that's negative for the day. You just have to wait for support, get in whenever it has found support and held support for a while. And once it kind of starts to work back up, you can kind of see it start to work back up. Watch it do that. Once it kind of legs up a little bit and you feel safe, your gut's telling you, okay, this is good, you can get in, or I will get in and wait for it to find the resistance. Even if it might even go up higher, I try to wait for it to find resistance, and then I take my profits and get out. Usually for the day, sometimes I might trade multiple times, but and then I get out and I just play it safe from there. Look at other stocks, do more DD for other stocks, call it a day. So looking at this, I would not be surprised if we don't end up somewhere in between that 279 and 355. I don't think we're going to go back down here right now. I don't. We could possibly, I don't think we're going to even go down this low. I don't think it's going to be 265. My opinion. I might be wrong. Take it for what it's worth. I have been wrong. Is that it's not going to go back down to that. It might, though. It might go to 279. I'm guessing somewhere in between that 279 and 3 is where it's going to find support, and then hopefully kind of just work its way back up from then. This is why I say I don't trust pre-market, because there's not enough volume. Like, this is the volume from Friday, 5 million. Okay, 5 million, and right now, looking at Webull, volume is 98,000. That's next to nothing of the total volume for the day. So, yeah, I just don't trust that. That's my opinion. I don't think it's going to go, if it goes lower than 279, I don't think it's going to go much lower than 279. $2 to 418. Yeah, my guess is that it's probably going to end up finding support around somewhere in between that 279 and probably maybe 325-ish. Probably around 3, I would think. I might be wrong. And then find support and then kind of push off of that. I don't know if we'll regain the negative here. Like, I don't know that we're going to gain 21%, but I don't think it's going to stay 21% all day. So, yeah, you can do what you want here, but that is what I look at. I did already look at SBEV's SEC to make sure there was no offering being filed, and there isn't yet. So you're good there. Another reason why I don't trade in the pre-market or after hours is offerings get announced in pre-market and after hours, so I avoid those. All right, so that is what I am doing. That is why it's kind of going down. In my opinion, it's going down because it rose 100%, more than 100% on Friday. What did it rise to? Yeah, 118% on Friday, so you can expect a cool down off of that. It's not surprising at all to me, but I know that some people will look at it and be like, oh my God, gotta get out. Ah! And that's fine. If you don't feel comfortable, get out. You made a profit, great, get out. That's up to you. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy, not telling you to sell, not telling you to hold. All right, so hopefully this helps somebody today. Yeah, that is all I have. I hope you have a green profitable day. I will be waiting for SBEV to find support, hold support, and kind of work its way up from there. Get in, watch it go to resistance, get out. Perfect play. That's me. You do what you want to do, what's best for you. I will see you very soon. I hope you have a wonderful, green, profitable day. Bye. Mwah.